You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to say the name of this beautiful Roman amphitheater monument in Rome, in Italian and in English, how you can easily say it in English. Okay, so in English it's called the Colosseum. Now the Italian word is not exactly the same. You know, the Colosseum comes from Latin. The Italian have a different word for it, which is the bottom word here on your screen. Colosseo is how the Italians say it, okay? So when you're in Rome, visiting Rome, and you want to ask where is it, or if you want to talk about it, Colosseo, okay? So it's not Colosseum or Colosseum. Colosseo, that's the Italian pronunciation. In English, Colosseum, you could say Colosseo or Colosseo. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.